Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Praise Digital Hub. What we do here is to bring you useful business information so that you can make informed business decisions. Today we'll be discussing investing in Nigerian startup opportunities and risk. Please do well to subscribe, hit the notification button, encourage us to grow. So like I said before, in today's video, we'll be discussing investing in Nigerian startup, looking at the risk and opportunities of investing in Nigerian startup. Nigeria is home to a thriving ecosystem with many promising ventures. But as with any investment, there are risks involved. So in this video, we'll explore the current state of Nigerian startup scene and provide you with insight from investors, entrepreneurs, and also industry experts. Once again, you are welcome. So let's start with the opportunities. Nigeria has one of the biggest population in Africa and a growing middle class, which presents a huge market for startup. The country is also home to many talented and innovative entrepreneurs who are building companies in a range of sectors, including fintech, e-commerce, healthcare, and also agriculture. So this will explain to you that Nigeria is the right place to go. In recent years, there has been a significant increase in investment in Nigerian startup. According to the Nigerian Startup Funding Report 2020, startups in Nigeria raised a total of 307 million in funding in 2019, an increase of 127% from the previous year. This shows that investors are increasingly recognizing the potential of Nigerian startup. And that's a very good one, if I may say. However, there are also risks that are involved in investing in Nigerian startups. One of the biggest challenges facing startups in Nigeria is the lack of infrastructure and support. Many startups struggle to access funding, mentorship, and other resources that are essential for their growth. Another risk factor is the unstable political and economic environment in Nigeria. As you may know, the country has faced several challenges in recent years, including security issues, inflation, currency devaluation. These factors have a significant impact on the success of startups and their ability to attract investment. So how can investors mitigate these risks and take advantage of the opportunities in the Nigerian startup scene? We spoke to several experts in the industry on our way to making this video, and we want to share with you some of the things they told us. One key piece of advice is to do your research. It's important to thoroughly research the market and the startup before making an investment into it. This includes understanding the team's experience, the market potential, and also understanding the competition in the sector you want to play. Another important factor is to look for startups that have strong focus on sustainability and resilience. Startups that have clear strategy for managing risk and building resilience are more likely to succeed in challenging environments. Every business has its challenges, so you should be able to have the resilience to be able to succeed. Then let's look at case studies. Number one, to give you a real-world example of the opportunity and risk of investing in Nigerian startup, let's take a look at the case of Paystack. Paystack is a Nigerian fintech startup that provides payment solutions for businesses. The company was founded in 2015 and has since raised over $10 million in funding from investors. Paystack is a great example of the potential of Nigerian startups. The company has experienced rapid growth in recent years and has been able to attract significant investment. However, the company also faced challenges, including regulatory hurdles, competition from other payment providers. But despite these challenges, Paystack has continued to grow and recently announced a $200 million acquisition by Stripe, a global payment company. This acquisition is a testament of the potential of Nigerian startups and the opportunities that exist in the country. Like I said earlier on, you need to remain consistent and resilient. So as you seek to conclude this video, you should understand that investing in Nigerian startup presents both opportunities and risk, as it is in every business. While the Nigerian startup scene is growing and there are many promising ventures, there are also challenges to be aware of. By doing your research and looking for startups that have strong focus on sustainability and resilience, investors can mitigate the risk and take advantage of the opportunities. We hope that this video has been informative, and we wish you all the best in your investment journey. And when thinking of investment, especially those watching this video from outside the country, think of Nigeria. Do us well to subscribe to this channel, help us to grow, hit the notification button, comment. Let's have your view, maybe the areas you want us to research into, and do us well to share the video. Thank you for watching today. This is Praise Digital Hub.